What if you could fix 95% of your problems just by learning a few key life lessons? In this video, I'm going to share with you 70 simple but powerful truths that can completely shift how you think, feel, and live. These are the lessons most people learn too late in life, but you don't have to stick around. One of these might just save you from years of stress, heartbreak, or regret. Section 1. Mindset and mental clarity. Not everything deserves your attention. Your thoughts are not facts. Discipline. Motivation. You don't need to feel ready to take action. Clarity comes from action, not overthinking. Confidence is built by keeping promises to yourself. Most things are temporary. Don't make them permanent in your mind. No one is thinking about you as much as you think they are. Learn to sit with discomfort. You can't control what happens, but you can control your response. Stress is often a signal to change direction, not push harder. Don't believe everything you feel. You are not behind. You're just comparing yourself to the wrong people. The way you talk to yourself matters more than how others talk to you. Your self-worth is not based on your productivity. Section 2. Relationships and people. Pay attention to how people treat you when they don't need you. Most people show you who they are. Believe them the first time. Stop explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. Silence is a response too, and often the most powerful one. You don't owe access to everyone. Your peace is more important than their opinion. Not everyone has the capacity to love the way you do, and that's okay. Boundaries are not rude, they're necessary. Time doesn't fix toxic people. Walking away is a form of self-respect. If they make you feel small, they're not your people. Protect your energy like your life depends on it. Because it does. Some people will only like the version of you they can control. The people who care about you will respect your boundaries. A healthy relationship feels like peace, not chaos. Section 3. Habits and daily life. Small daily choices create big results over time. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. 1 hour of focus beats 8 hours of distraction. What you do repeatedly becomes who you are. You're always training your brain, either toward growth or destruction. Scrolling endlessly is a way of running from your thoughts. A cluttered space reflects a cluttered mind. Your body keeps the score. Take care of it. Rest is productive. Food, sleep, and sunlight affect your mood more than you think. Stop negotiating with bad habits. Start before you're ready. You'll figure it out. If it takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make the moment perfect. Section 4. Growth and purpose. Your comfort zone is your prison. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Growth feels uncomfortable because you're evolving. You are not who you were a year ago, and that's good. Let go of the need to be liked by everyone. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Focus on building, not impressing. Most people quit too early. Don't attach your identity to your job, income, or followers. Learn to enjoy your own company. The most successful people are those who stay calm under pressure. Keep your goals private until they're strong enough to withstand doubt. You don't need to do everything. Just do the right things. Progress is better than perfection. Don't confuse being busy with being effective. Section 5. Self-respect and emotional mastery. You don't have to respond to every insult. Revenge is a waste of energy. Success is the best response. Forgiveness is for you, not them. Learn to validate yourself instead of seeking approval. The way others treat you is their karma. How you respond is yours. Don't chase people. Attract them by being yourself. Protect your peace like it's sacred. Heal so you don't bleed on people who didn't cut you. Being alone is better than being disrespected. You are allowed to outgrow people, places, and patterns. If even one of these 70 lessons sparked something in you, That's your starting point. Start applying, start living, stop waiting. Your life will change, not from what you know, but from what you practice daily. Hit that like button if this added value. Share it with someone who needs a wake-up call, and subscribe for more truth-based, psychology-driven content every week.